Welcome to VRiddhi Automatic Estimation Software Demo. We will add a part and show how the estimation works. Please note, the algorithm for toolings and machines are already pre-fed in the software. We will add all part-related information like name, revision, profit, and rejections, if any, to be considered in percentage. The estimation works on the manufacturing batch quantity. If you add rejections, the manufacturing batch quantity will change according to the rejections, and the cost of the manufacturing will be divided on the manufacturing batch numbers. Once the part information is added, you can proceed with the estimation, which will open in a separate tab. From this tab, you can include all the manufacturing-related activities, like the grade of the material, select the 3D step file, machining tolerance band, tolerance band. Please note, you can also individually change the tolerance of the feature after estimation too. Add the cost of the material, and add any buffer cost markup if required. Click Next. Now you will select the tooling algorithm. Next, the milling algorithm. Next, the turning algorithm. Click Save Parameters. Done. Now the software will convert all features to machine operations based on the algorithm selected. Your estimate is ready. Now you can review the complete estimate, which includes the break-even working, cost split, detailed material costing. The operations are splitted into setup from where it is approachable. You can review all the features from the 3D interface. This will allow you to view, modify, and if required, delete any feature as per your desire. The concerns are also highlighted, which can be reviewed. You can review the individual concerns and take corrective action if necessary. If you are struggling with low profitability orders, probably it's time for you to review your estimation process. Thank you for your time.